Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last two videos, we set the mindset and picked a tool. Now we get to the real magic, the exact prompt pattern that turns any AI into your personal tutor. And this one prompt is the difference between solving 50 problems and remembering none of them versus solving 20 problems and mastering every single pattern. Let me show you exactly how to write it. Most people type prompts like this when they are stuck, like solve this problem for me, and then give the problem name like any problem name, like to some problem, and it will give the answer. As you can see, it directly gives us answer, and they also can write give me the code. It will return the same code, or what's the optimal approach to solve this. These prompts are not wrong, they are just lazy, and lazy prompts give you lazy results, a solution you don't understand. The AI is not the problem, your prompt is. Here is the template. I want you to screenshot this. So there is, I am trying to solve problem name. Don't give me the answer directly. First, help me understand the problem with a small example. Then ask me what I think the approach is. Guide me step by step. Correct me when I am wrong. Also help me understand the intuition deeply. And that's it. 7 lines. This is the entire foundation of tutor mode. Let me break down why each line in the prompt is there. So the line number is 1 is I'm trying to solve problem X or problem name. So it sets context. In the second line, don't give me the answer directly. This is the most important line. Without this, AI defaults to giving you solutions. Line 3, help me understand the problem with a small example. It forces AI to start at the beginning, not jump to the code. Then, ask me what I think the approach is. This makes AI question you. Now you have to think. In the line 5, guide me step by step. It breaks the solution into small chunks you can actually learn. In 6th line, correct me when I am wrong. It gives AI permission to push back, not just agree. Line number 7, help me understand the intuition deeply. This is what makes the learning stick. Every line has a job. Don't remove any of them. Let me show you this in action. I have pasted this exact prompt and pick any lead code problem. Let's go with the number of island, and that's it. Watch what happens. See, it's not giving a code. It's asking me if I handed you this grid on paper and asked you to circle every island, what process would you follow? And see, it's not giving me code. It's asking me to describe what I see in the grid. It's checking if I understand the what an island means before we even start talking about algorithms. And this is exactly how a good tutor teaches. But still, there are some common mistakes that people do. There are 3 common mistakes even after learning this prompt. Mistake 1, They paraphrase it and lose the key phrase. Words like "don't give me the answer" and "guide me step by step" are not optional. We have to copy it exactly. Mistake 2. They give up when AI asks them a question. The whole point is to answer. If AI asks what data structure fits here, then you should have to give the answer for that. After that, you will proceed further. We have to think, then answer. Don't just say, I don't know, tell me. Mistake 3. They skip the 30-minute rule. This prompt only works if you are already tried the problem yourself. Otherwise, you are just slower at cheating. To recap, save this prompt, use it every single time, answer AI's question honestly, and always try the problem yourself first. In the next video, I will show you this entire method applied to a real lead code problem from start to finish, live. See exactly how a full tutor session looks. See you there.